Now question number 8. Exercise 18.1.
Sir, 32.1.
Exercise 32A. Right?
Yes.
See here. In the previous period we have seen question number 7 up to. In a question number 8, a square field has each side is 70 meter. A square field is given here and square of side is 70 meter. Whereas a rectangular field has length is 50 meter and breadth is 40 meter. Which of the field has a greater perimeter and by how much? So first you find the perimeter of a square and also find perimeter of rectangle, and then we compare both the value and which is greater and then by how much.
Yes.
So first you find given square of side square field of side is equal to square field of side is equal to 70 meter. Then perimeter of a square is equal to perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side is equal to 4 multiplied by 70 meter. Then 4 7 are 28, 280 meter. This is the perimeter of a square field. Now find perimeter of rectangular field. So first length of field is given. Length of field is equal to 50 meter and breadth of field is equal to 40 meter. Length of field is 50 meter and breadth of field is 40 meter. Then find perimeter of rectangular field. Perimeter of rectangular field is equal to 2 multiplied by L plus B is equal to 2 multiplied by L is 50, B is 19 meter. Both are values.
40 na? Yes, 40 sir.
50 plus 40 is equal to 90 meter. 2 multiplied by 90 meter, then we get 2 9 80, 180 meter. This is the perimeter of rectangular field. After then, which is greater, perimeter square or rectangle? So perimeter of a square is greater than perimeter of rectangular field. So right here. So therefore, perimeter of square field is greater than perimeter of rectangular field. By 280 minus 180 is equal to 100 meter. This is the answer. Then question number 9. A rectangular field has length 160 meter and breadth is 120 meter. Here find the perimeter of the field, then length of fence required to enclose the field And the cost of fencing the field at the rate of rupees 80 per meter. Okay. So first you write the given value. Length of rectangular field is 160 meter. Length of rectangular field is equal to length of rectangular field is equal to 160 meter. Then breadth of rectangular field same as it is. Is equal to 120 meter. And then you find the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangular field. Perimeter of rectangular field is equal to 2 multiplied by L plus D is equal to 2 multiplied L is 160 meter plus breadth is 120 meter. 2 multiplied by 160 plus 120 280.
Yes.
280 meter is equal to 28 to 28 to the 56 0 as it is 560 meter. This is the perimeter of rectangular field. This is the answer first. In a second case, 560 meter of length of wire required for the fencing. How much wire required here? 560 meter of length of wire required for the fencing. Then in a third case, the cost of fencing the field at the rate of rupees 80 per meter. The cost of fencing the field at the rate of rupees 80 per meter, that is 560 meter multiplied by rupees 80, then we get an answer. Here in a unit place 20 is present. So first you write this 20, then 8 multiplied by 56. 8 6 are 48. Right here 8 carry 4. 8 5 are 40. 40 plus